Um, can okay. First of all, Arvind, thank you so much for. Okay, my name is Megha Ramaswamy, and I've been following, observing your campaign, supporting it. We're all filmmakers who belong to Recycle Wala Films, and we've been with the party for a very long time. And I have observed your campaigns very closely, especially the Delhi ones. And what I would like to kind of address is there's a certain amount of misrepresentation and a loss when it comes to the party's understanding of women in general. Because even when you address women, I would like to say that the only women you're talking about are the women who light chulas at home, and this is in your words actually, And you must know that there's a certain amount of us, there's a huge amount of women like me who have spent day and night supporting your party, like going for election, going campaigning for your parties, etc., etc. And what's in it for us? Like, how are you going to translate that clumsiness and kind of communicate to people like me and my colleagues as well? I mean, how would you go about that? That's part one of the question.
No, but can you just educate me? What is the wrong thing that how do I address?
Because you're only talking about one range. Your range is very limited. Like, and these are in most of the.
Could you give an example?
Like, for example, a lot of your and I completely understand when you say कि जब हम budgets के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, then you're only talking about these women who are at home lighting the chulas because they of roti kapda, but that's not true. When you're talking, a budget is made by like everyone. So how would you address that? This is just one example. I mean, there's a longer conversation to be had, but since we're limiting ourselves to questions. So I'd like you to reflect on this.
For instance, I just now spoke about women's safety, which primarily concerns the women who step out of their house to either go to the college or to go to for work. Women's safety is normally, so as I said that one of the ideas that is there is that can we have CCTV cameras all across Delhi in all the open spaces so that women start feeling more safe when they step out of their house. Then there are many ideas that are being worked upon. On 26th November, we are having a Delhi dialogue on only women's safety issues. Now in that, I would encourage, because all these ideas are worked through collaboration.
I've been talking to Sonal a lot actually. So Sonal and we work together for.
So if you can send your ideas, whatever ideas you have, not just on women's safety related to women.
Absolutely.
So please send us those ideas.
Yes.
And we will definitely work on that.
I actually would want the party to have more of a dialogue when it's just not limited to safety or when it's not limited to protection, but something more than that.
Please send us your ideas.
I'm sorry, I have another rejoinder to this question. I think it's very important what you did in terms of coming to the streets, and you kind of reintroduced a discourse that India had forgotten to have in terms of protesting and kind of taking that responsibility and that accountability initiative when it comes to the citizens as a body. Now, would you somewhere call this some kind of a social anarchy that you were kind of reintroducing back to the middle classes or the general classes in India that had forgotten to have this conversation? I would like to know what you feel about social anarchy and having that conversation within a citizens' initiative.
Social anarchy for what? I didn't get your point. Right.
Social anarchy in a positive way to brought the middle class back on the street.
Right.
Yeah.
Never happened. No. The middle class came on the streets in the last few years. I agree with that.
The disenchantment, yeah, I mean, how would you take that?
I would encourage the media to be a little more sympathetic to us. Now, let's take the case of my sitting on dharna. There were two ways in which media could have dealt. One is to say, nautanki kar raha hai, anarchy kar raha hai, phalana. Issue was women's safety. Could that not have been, अगर उसको political discourse का मुद्दा बनाया जाता, 3 दिन में धरने पे रहा, उन 3 दिनों के अंदर अगर टीवी चैनल्स पे और मीडिया में women safety पे डिबेट होने शुरू हो जाते कि भाई मुख्यमंत्री धरने पे बैठा है, let's talk of women safety, how can we make Delhi safe for women. I think ज़्यादा फायदा होता उसका. 3 दिन तक मुझे गालियाँ देना, केजरीवाल anarchist है, I think it didn't serve anyone's purpose. नहीं, चलो मेरे को गालियाँ दे ली, थोड़ा सा तो 2 घंटे ही लगा लेते women safety के ऊपर मीडिया वाले. 2 घंटे भी नहीं, उन्होंने 24 घंटे मेरे को गालियां, 24 घंटे मेरे को।
Ideological and apolitical, and not to talk about ideologies in politics, and Aam Aadmi Party seems to have captured some of that sentiment. But the rest of the minus 31% of India, which has not voted for the Modi government, because they won only on a 31%, is quite worried about the backbone of this government, which is the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. How dangerous do you as Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal find the RSS? Do you feel there is a threat to the very foundations and the constitution of this country?
I fully agree with that.
No, but
The kind of
what
activities-
is your view on the RSS?
मैं कह तो रहा हूँ आपको, अभी तो कह रहा हूँ कि जिस किस्म की राजनीति वो लोग कर रहे हैं और जिस किस्म से, अभी तो मैं तो सीधा भुक्तभोगी हूँ दिल्ली के अंदर, जिस किस्म से सिस्टमैटिक तरीके से दंगे कराने की कोशिश की जा रही है, आई थिंक दिस कैन नॉट बी एक्सेप्टेबल, एंड बट इट इज़ नॉट समथिंग दैट ओनली आई कैन डू अबाउट. दिल्ली के सारे लोगों को एक साथ आना पड़ेगा, हम सब लोगों को एक साथ आना पड़ेगा, मीडिया को एक साथ आना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो ये सारा समाज बट जाएगा बिल्कुल.
You know, I actually have the last question coming up, but if you have a supplementary, we'll.
Can I ask my question?
Both the questions.
Is that you appear like an RSS man who is secular and honest. That's the worst criticism. Now, what implicit in that is that you don't smile, you're smug, you know-it-all, which is what.
आज का इंटरव्यू तो काफी
बढ़िया रहा, and I'm a long-term supporter. But
तो ये
please take care of your image. And my last question is, in the last 6 months, what are your learnings and how you're going to change as a result?
नहीं सर, मैंने बताया ना, सबसे बड़ी लर्निंग है कि इस्तीफा नहीं देंगे, अब कुछ भी हो जाए. हाँ बिल्कुल लड़ेंगे. मैडम आप आइए दिल्ली में, उनसे जम के लड़ाई हो रही है हमारी सड़कों के ऊपर.
On a lighter note, I just want to end.
Let's,
Do you know a very popular dish in Bombay is called Kejriwal?
There's a dish.
Yeah.
अच्छा.
At all the clubs in Bombay, it's named after you.
Thank you.
What could you describe? it?
Kejriwal.
What is it? What is the
Toast,
dish?
butter, cheese, and a fried egg with some.
That's very good. That's a very
yeah.
healthy breakfast.
This
yeah.
kid wants to ask
Yes,
something.
your question.
Yeah, hi, I'm Siddharth Ranwal. I'm from the 9th standard. I wanted to ask, what do you have in mind for young students like me? No. What are you planning to do for us? Will there be any programs or something?
What are your demands? Like, what is it that you would like?
I don't know. Like, what are your? You want?
दो तीन चीजें. Let me talk about your age group as a class. For instance, you are very fortunate that
Thank
you were
you.
born in a good family, you are having a good education, but a large number of kids of your age who are not that fortunate, and their kids can't afford public school education. So as I said in the beginning, that we plan to make this a bounden duty of the government to provide, not only provide education, but provide good quality education to every kid, whether born in a poor family or a rich family. 5 साल के अंदर दिल्ली सरकार के सभी स्कूलों की हालत हम इतनी अच्छी करेंगे that even a rich person would feel proud to send his kids to a government school. That's number one. Number two is, I think right now you yourself are not sure of your aspirations, but once you pass class 12 and you enter college, you may have a problem in getting an admission in the college. So as I said, we'll double the capacity of the seats in Delhi of the college admissions. And number three is the jobs after that. So I spoke about all that.
And what are the aims of your plan Vistar?
Mission Vistar.
Yeah, your mission.
Mission Vistar is to,
The aims.
the aim is to put in place proper organizational structure of the party all across the country. Thank you so much.
Thank
It was
you
a pleasure
so much.
talking to you
Yeah.
all.
Thank you so much, Arvind, for taking time out, and for all our guests here. May I request Rajkamal Jha, our chief editor, and Mr. Anant Goenka, director, New Media, to please come on stage. We have something for Mr. Kejriwal.